Students, welcome back to our class. Today let us have a revision class. Revision for your midterm exam. I have already given portions in the group. Hope all of you have seen it. From reader you have to study one lesson and one poem. Okay, lesson Baby Caterpillar, poem Off to School We Go. Then from grammar you have to study only 2 lessons. Lesson 8 and lesson 8 doing words and 9 is, are. Okay, so these are the portions for your midterm examination. Now we will discuss model questions. So this is a revision class and I will give you a model question paper. So model only. Okay. So first section A, total marks 20 marks. Then section A, reading. First section. Okay. Section A, reading. Read the following lines carefully and answer the questions given below. So it is a 4 marks question. That is 4 short answer type questions you will get from this section. In this section. Okay, so based on these lines, you have to answer these questions. Okay, so this is a model format. Then off to school we go, or it's off to school we go. We will learn our ABCs and move with everyone we know. So based on these 4 lines, you have to answer these 4 questions. Okay, the children are going to dash. Where are the children going? The children are going to school. So the answer is school. That only one word only. Okay, the children are going to school. Then they will learn dash. They will learn ABCs. They will learn ABCs. Then who will be with the children? With everyone they know. With everyone they know. With everyone. Okay, pick out the rhyming words from the poem. So when I taught this poem, what I have taught this rhyming words, that is same words having same sounds. Okay, so here rhyming words are go, go, no. Okay, so go and no. Go and no are rhyming words in this stanza. Okay. So a similar passage or a similar poem will come for your exam. So this is only a model format. So first section, section A, reading, and it will contain 4 questions, 4 marks, 4 questions. Okay. Then section B. Section B is writing and grammar. Section B, writing and grammar. So here in this section you will get a writing question. Write 3 sentences about your school. I have given you 5 sentences about your school. So out of those 5 sentences you have to select 3 sentences. Okay, 3 marks question. So this question will come. Okay, 3 sentences about your school. Write 3 sentences. Okay, then fill in the blanks with is, are. Okay, fill in the blanks with is, are. So there, in that section, 2 questions, 2 marks. 2 questions, 2 marks. Page number, grammar text, page number 25. It is given. Okay, so there are 6 sentences in that section. And study all those 6 sentences carefully. From that 6 sentences, 2 questions will come. Okay, so I dash busy. I am busy. My sister dash very good at painting. My sister is very good at painting. Okay, grammar first question. Fill in the blanks with is, are, 2 marks question. 2 questions, 2 marks. Okay, then next one. Unscramble the letters to form doing words. Doing words, we have studied lesson 8. Doing words, verbs. So here, there in your grammar text page number 21, it is given. So study all those words, verbs. Okay, so here first one is, it is unscramble the letters. Unscramble ആണ് നമ്മൾ so we have to rearrange these letters to form a verb. Okay, here it is LAUGH, laugh. Here SLEEP, sleep. Okay, so these two words, verb. So page number 21 it is given. So study all the words. Okay, then next one, fill in the blanks with verbs given in the brackets. That is 3 marks question. Fill in the blanks with the verbs given in the bracket. So it is a 3 questions, 3 marks. So the children dash the film. What you have to do is select the correct verb from bracket. The children dashed the film. Children watched the film. So this is the right answer. First one, children watched the film. Then my aunt dashed my favorite food. My aunt cooked. Okay, then birds dash in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Okay, this question that is I got it from reader. Okay, reader page number 36. Reader page number 36. That is grammar worksheet 2. Okay, grammar worksheet 2. Exercise C. So study those words. Page number 36. Reader grammar worksheet 2. Exercise C. Okay. Then section C. Okay, section C, literature. Last section, section C, literature. And there you will get two meanings, 2 words. Okay, new words. 2 marks question. 2 words, 2 marks question. So here, cradle, cozy. So I have given I think 4 or 5 meanings in that lesson, isn't it? That is nap, then cradle, cozy, blanket. Okay, blanket. So study these 4 words meanings. So from these 4 words, what I'll ask 2 meanings: cradle, cozy, nap, blanket. Cradle means a swinging bed for a baby. Cozy means it's a comfortable, warm and comfortable. Okay, so study those 4 new words and its meaning. Okay, then choose the right answer. Next one, choose the right answer from the bracket. So answer is given in the bracket. 2 answers are there, but we have to choose the correct one. Okay, the children are going to dash. Children are going to where? Yes, school. So here you have to write the correct answer. The children are going to school. Then baby caterpillar found a cozy place in the branches of a rose shrub or grapevine. What is the correct answer? Baby caterpillar found a cozy place in the branches of a, yes, grapevine. So here you have to write the answer. So 2 questions, 2 marks. Okay. Then last one, question answers. Answer the following in 1 or 2 words each. That is also 2 marks question. Okay, so what happened to the thick blanket of baby caterpillar when it stretched? It's cracked, isn't it? The blanket cracked is the answer. Then what will the children ride? Children ride the bus. The children ride the bus. So study those question answers and 4 meanings and grammar 2 lessons well. Okay. And school, about your school. Write 3 sentences about your school. That also you have to study well. So this is a model of your question paper. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആയിരിക്കില്ല വരുന്നത്, ഇതുപോലുള്ള വേറെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആയിരിക്കും വരുന്നത്. പക്ഷേ ഈ പാറ്റേണിൽ മാത്രമേ വരത്തുള്ളൂ. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് മാത്രം, ഇങ്ങനത്തെ പാറ്റേൺ മാത്രം പഠിച്ചാൽ മതി. ടീച്ചർ പറഞ്ഞ പേജസിൽ ഉള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് മാത്രം പഠിച്ചാൽ മതി. ഓക്കെ, ഫ്രം റീഡർ, 4 meanings and question answers that I have given. Then grammar text only 8th and 9th lessons. 8th, unscramble the words to get meaningful word verb. പിന്നെന്താണ്, then 36 page number reader, page number 36. One more exercise is there that you have to study. Then Amisar question, page number 21 or is 25. It is given 6 questions are there that you have to study. So from these only questions will come. ഈ ഇതിനൊക്കെ മാത്രമേ questions വരത്തുള്ളൂ. So study well, score good marks. All the best for you. Then that's all for today. Thank you.